you're all so excited about the panel discussion. But we are coming to the end of this Molecular Frontier 2016. So we're just going to very short closing session. When we close, of course, we have to ask the founder of Molecular Frontiers Foundation to say something about this Molecular Frontiers 2016 here.
First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to the great lady who has organized and kept everything together. We had a press conference yesterday, and I announced then my conclusion and my observation that this is probably the best organized and best fueled Molecular Frontiers conference that we have ever had. And so we will take home our observations and use this for future arrangements very much. So I want to give a hand for Reiko Kuroda. My next thanks goes actually to you. You have enjoyed being here, but you have also been very active, maybe thanks to preparations that you have been instructed or commanded or to do, and which has been part of the success, but which you also can take home. So I would like to thank this young audience very much for your activity here. So. Then we have also the eminent speakers, including the Nobel laureates, who have presented to us and shared with us in a very pedagogical way, again, probably orchestrated by harsh comments and a swinging whip by Mrs. Chairman. I've never ever seen in this audience, this arrangement, so well-prepared speakers and so pedagogical and so clear messages. So to all the speakers, you are not all here now, but I want to give a hand, please. Then I would like to make a summary of the whole conference. It will take me about 2 hours, but if we have the time. No, this is exactly what is impossible to do. What I can say, and which I think you have observed now, is that science is not a very simple science. It's a very complex machinery where all things boil up, but there is one common rule, and that is there are no stupid questions. There may be stupid answers, but there are no stupid questions. And the important thing for a scientist is to again and again scratch your head and come up with questions. And I think I would stop there, because the questions, why, is so important that I want this to be the last impression in your brain. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, so I must have the final word, and bang, to behave. Well, I hope you're inspired, and also you enjoyed it. You learned something new. You get courage. You know how to be passionate. You get how to, like all these days, people have passion for science, for the future, for the young people. That's how we are successful to have this Molecular Frontier Symposium. So, of course, I worked very hard, but I also have to thank TUS, Tokyo University of Science, Professor Fujishima, and all the people really helped behind the scene, welcome you, how to sort things out, and they really helped us. So fortunately, I cannot see many of them here, but please convey my thank you. So we give hands to the people at the ESA. So, science, technology, it's also related to society as you know it. And I really hope you go home safely with something taken back with you. And tell your friends, your parents, who couldn't attend this meeting, this symposium, how it was. And share your thought, share what you learned. And you have to tell other people. Okay? So, thank you very much for attending 2 days. It was very nice. Bye-bye.